not allowed on freeways. Pedestrians are not allowed on freeways. Cyclists are not allowed on freeways. Towing with a tow rope is not allowed on freeways. Animal-drawn vehicles are not allowed on freeways. And reversing is not allowed on freeways. You are not allowed to allow the wheels of your motor vehicle to spin on the road surface. In other words, you are not allowed to pop wheelies. The driver of a motor vehicle must always have an unobscured view or an unobstructed view. Compulsory on a vehicle, in other words, you must have it. You must have at least one rear view mirror. You must have 4 good tires. You must have a petrol cap on the petrol tank that locks and seals properly. You must have headlights. You must have a license disc. And you must have number plates. And that's all the rules you need to know to pass the learner's license test for the light motor vehicle Code 2. Thank you.